Manually index the timer into the brine draw position by depressing and holding the red pointer knob and manually turning the camshaft counterclockwise to the brine and rinse position. During normal operation, a visible flow of the brine solution will be seen as it is drawn from the brine tank through the air check and into the valve. The black ball inside the air check will be bouncing at the top during the brine draw. When observing the brine draw, you should check for air leaks at the base, where it screws onto the tank adapter, and at the brine line fittings. Air leaks will cause premature air check, where the ball drops to the bottom before the brine is drawn out of the brine tank. This will result in an incomplete regeneration and cause eventual brine tank overflow. You can tighten the fittings and add Teflon tape as required to eliminate the leaks. As the brine cycle is completed, the black ball will drop to the bottom and shut off the brine line. This prevents air from being drawn into the softener. To proceed further, you will need to put the unit into bypass by pushing the black bypass knob into the bypass position. If you have a plumbed-in globe valve bypass, you will have to open or close the appropriate valves. To release the pressure inside the valve, push on all the valve discs. You can now proceed with further disassembly. Using a regular screwdriver, remove the injector cap. For identification, the injector caps are marked A, B, or C. Take the needle nose pliers and pull the injector out. You will notice that the injectors are color-coded. A is white, B is blue, and C is red. The injectors are designed for various size units and brine draw rates. Generally, white is for small units, blue for medium units, and red for the large units. You will want to inspect the injector orifice to make sure it is not obstructed. The O-rings should also be checked. If the injector has to be replaced, a new one of the same color should be used. The injector screen directly opposite the injector should also be inspected. Remove it with the regular screwdriver. The screen should then be cleaned or replaced. Although you may run across some old-style metal or white plastic screens, the new black screen is the proper replacement part. It is designed to fit all the previous controls. For full regeneration to occur, the primary components of the brine draw process, the air check, the injector, and the screen, must be functioning properly.